Hello everyone and welcome to Terraria. Last time we met we were here in this big thing and oh my god, and I see here some iron. Oh my, just OMG, my first iron in Terraria. Yeah, sounds delicious. So anyways, today was my first school day. And just holy, it wasn't actually that bad. Seriously, it wasn't that bad. I thought it was like going to be like the world ending and you know, all that things. Plus I googled a little bit, not about school but about Terraria, so I know how to build my house properly. So right now I'm gonna make myself a workbench, just like in Minecraft. Let's place it over here. And I googled that I can make doors, so let's just skip over here and 2 doors. Awesome. And awesome. The best house ever. What the fuck is that sound? Oh my, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me actually. I'm now really scared. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy... that scared me. Really bad. Oh my god. Okay, let's just make a wood wall. Let's make about 60. God. Can't even spell properly. Okay. Beautiful. The best house in the world. Oh my god, I misplaced the wall. Let's try to take it off. Oh my god. Okay, can I like somehow can I get up in there? There you go. Come on. Get up in there. Okay, we'll just go from here. I really want to slay some zombies. Can I like destroy it with my hat? With my sword? Pick? Axe? God damn it! Okay, so I know you can make furnaces. Oh, but you need stone. That sucks. Tiki torch. Let's just get more torches, and I think we should go mine. Okay, and here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mine by 2, like this. At least in Terraria we can do that. In Minecraft you can't, because if you're gonna do that you're gonna get fucked from down. They're just gonna kill you, so, because you can fall in love, you know, all that crap. Okay, let's place our torch over here. God damn it. Oh, okay. At least that doesn't suck balls that bad. Wait a second. Oh, okay. Okay, and now let's do this. Oh yeah, feeling great. I just really think Terraria is pretty awesome. You should try to get it. it's pretty epic, awesome. Place. Okay. Mining. I don't get it. Why I am singing all the time. I don't really get that. Like, I'm singing all the time. When I'm like bored or something, I just sing. That's weird. Because I don't sing. Okay, that's just weird. Just forget that. You wouldn't understand. Okay, I don't see anything, so let's just place it. Okay. Here's sand. Okay, let's drop down and see what is. Okay, basically nothing here. Wow. Laid. Okay. Wow. Now I'm just getting really bored. And you're probably getting too. Because I'm just like mining down and nothing basically is happening. And that's weird, right? I mean, boring, not weird. So today was my first school day, and it wasn't that bad. I thought it was going to be like worse. It's going to be like world ending, but no, it wasn't that bad. How can you get the water out of here? This water sucks. Water, you suck. You just suck. Go get a life, water. You suck. You suck at your job. You just suck. You suck. Except in real life. Because I probably would die if there would be no water. So, in real life, good job, water. In Terraria, you, water. See that down there in the left? Down there, there's some glowy stuff. Something is glowing. Or is it just my eyes glitching? Let's just place a torch. See, there's something. There's. Just go get a life, water. You suck. Okay. Just forget the water. We'll just get down there, because it looks pretty epic in that crib. What did I say, crib? Wow, mysterious things what you will never know. Said by Block Life. You know, once a time in life, you gotta do things what you never would do. You know, like smoke weed, you know, and do all that stuff. You know, what you wouldn't do in real life, you know. You know, that's how it goes, you know. What the fuck? Blue slime. Get the hell out of here. I'm not trying to be racist. Oh, there's a red slime too. And I'm not trying to be racist. Where's that red slime? What's that red slime doing there? Get the hell out of here, slime. You noob. Seriously, slime, just you need to get a lot too. Okay, what is that thing? Blink rot. Can I eat it? Can I I can try to eat it. No, I don't really know what I can do with it. let's take mushrooms back. What is that? Oh my freaking god! That's just, oh my god! Is that gold? Oh my god! It's oh, it's iron. You know, iron. I sometimes hate that thing, like that thing that iron is trying to be gold, but it's actually not. Oh my god, man, that is just disappointing, man. Really disappointing, man. Some copper. Let's take it. Let's take it. Oh, there's water. God damn it. Silver coins, copper coins. More copper. Looks nice. Okay, I don't see shit. Some copper. Finally got some things. And finally, this is really gold, I think. Yup. Oh my god, I'm feeling really great right now. I'm feeling really great doing that thing, you know, that thing. Like, wait, what all people should do, you know? If you don't know what I'm talking about, just whatever. Forget it. That was just really weird. Okay, and there's some more iron. Oh, nice. Thank you, Lord. So, okay. And as you can see, that is a huge hole with a lot of slimes. And you need entertainment, right? That wouldn't be smart if I go right there in. But you need entertainment, so yippee! Oh shit. Die slimes! Die slimes! Come on slimes! Die slimes! Come on slimes! Oh shit! Wow. And their head removed by a red slime. Wow. Oh, star. What it does? Ammo. Marcher, the spears after the sunrise. What that does? I don't really get that. Okay. Dylan, what are you doing outside? It's cold out here. And plus, it's night, so zombies can eat your brain and take out your, you know, your hand, you know. Okay, I don't see any zombies, so that's good. No zombies. So yeah. Well, I'm talking like in British accent. Okay, so I gotta end right here. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys later.